Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax Dallas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Harris 210 Cruiser for 2025 with a 150 on it. All right, so 210 Cruiser. One of the first things everybody always notices when they get on this boat is that it feels a little bigger than 21 foot. It's because it really is. The deck length of this boat is really 23 foot because there's a deck overhang on the back. So if you're comparing it to some other models that you see out there, this boat's going to feel bigger because it is bigger. So wraparound seating in the front. This boat's going to have LED lights in your cup holders and in your seat bases. We did order it with the Simrad screen, so it's going to have chart plotter, forward-looking nav, downscan sonar, fish finder, wireless cell phone charger at the dash, upgraded interior that's new for this year, L-bench in the back that is a flip-flop, so you can flip the seat like this if you're going to pull kids on the tubes and skis. This boat has a 150 horsepower motor on it, so well over 35 mile an hour. It does have the new RPM logs on it, so the boat performs exceptionally well. You can also flip this down flat to make a full sun pad back here if you like. What I like is the extended deck on the back though. Extended transom, much more room to get kids on and off of the tube, stuff like that. You've got your flip over swim seat back here, which is great. Previously that was only available on like Solstices and up, so really you had to spend about 130 grand if you want to get the swim seat. Now it's available down in a Cruiser, which is great. Built-in cooler underneath your outside seat, built-in battery tender, and safety fencing around the outside. That's really important to know because if you like all these pontoons out here that you see on the market with a flip-flop backrest, just know that you have to have stern safety fencing for it to be legal back here to to sit back here. So looking at you guys, Bennington. So wraparound seating in the front, L-bench in the back, extended 12-foot bimini. The boat's loaded just in a smaller package. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.